अस्सलाम वालेकुम ब्यूटीफुल पीपल्स। आज सीन को ऐसा चल रहा है कि मैंने एक नई बाईसाइकिल ली है।
Tell me something about this bike, Rohan. What are the new
It's
features?
a cool bike and new design bike to you. ATX G02.
That's amazing.
Right.
So what else is in your beautiful bike? Yeah. Where is it from? Is it from
USA.
USA? That's amazing. Tell me about the braking system.
It has disc brakes.
That's really nice. Yeah, disc brakes. We can see this view. The color is beautiful. It's
Yes,
amazing.
thank you.
So how many gears are there in your bike? Can you just count them?
7.
7 gears on the back. Okay. Let's continue, Rohan. Tell me more about your bike. Yeah.
It's a mountain bike and it has 7 gears and it has a bottle with him.
But that's amazing. Let me.
And in the front there are 3 gears.
In the front there are 3 gears. Okay. That's really amazing. So tell me about your bike. What type of bike is this?
Mountain bike.
So
Racing bikes.
racing bike. So you can do a race with this bike, or you just
Yes.
use it in the mountains. Yeah.
Yes.
The tires are looking amazing. What type of tires are these?
Flat tires.
Flat tires. These are mountain bike tires. Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't it? The brakes are amazing. The color is one of your most favorite color, isn't it? You know. Look at the gears. Shimano gears from made in China. One of the best gears in the world. So we have blinkers here. That's wonderful bike. Okay, guys.
Check the blinkers.
Rohan will just end up this review for his beautiful bike right now. Okay, Rohan, you have to say something for your bike now.
Yes, I like this bike. This is so cool.
So you'll be taking care of this bike in the
Yes,
near future, yeah?
yes.
So how many years you'll be just driving this bike? Are you going to school on this bike, or you just use it as your sports and recreation?
Later.
Later on, you will just tell in the next review?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, till now, bye from Rohaan RMB. He's one of your favorite vlogger. Take care. Okay, bye. Take care.